Okay, I got this HDMI splitter for my TV. Okay, the name is OREI. I think it was about 20 bucks or so. I'll put a link below. Okay, so the important part here is 1 in, 4 out. 1 in, 4 out. Okay, so my Spectrum box will come into here, and then I can hook up 4 TVs. Okay, as opposed to this one here. I bought this one by accident, going too fast. The box looks the same, right? You got 5 inputs, 1 out. See, 5 inputs. Input, 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 1 out.
That's no good.
So, well, if you got PlayStations and computers, you got computer, PlayStation, and all the other stuff the kids hook up, you know, you want to switch between those different devices and put it to your main TV screen. So that's why you would have 5 in and 1 out, depending on what you want to use. But that's not what I want to do. Well, that even comes with a remote control. So this is what you would need if you have, you know, a kid that has multiple devices that he wants to run off one monitor. Lots of kids use those. So, but I just want, I want just the opposite. So you can see it's pretty small. On off button. You gotta hook up a power supply. It would have been nice if it didn't have power, that way it wouldn't use electricity. But got 1 input and 4 outs. So what's the input? The input is this little bitty cable that comes from the Spectrum box. So this one would go to the Spectrum box, and then this one would go in here, and then another cable would go to one TV, another cable would go to a second TV, another cable would go to a third TV, and so on. Okay, so just to diagram this so you see what's going on, like here's a telephone pole, right? There's my house, right? Cable TV comes into the house, right? Comes into my Spectrum box. Okay, so 1 cable goes into my Spectrum box, and then I have this one here, right? 1 input, right? 1 input. So this is the splitter. 1 cable goes from here to here. That would be this one. And then we have a TV here. 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 So that would be the 4 outputs. See, that's what they mean by this. 1 in, 4 out. 1 in, 4 out. So this powered, that probably increases the power on these, so you don't lose quality. That's what I'm thinking. I suppose it would be in the manual if I read the manual, right? There's the power supply. OREI.com.
Okay.
Okay, we got the power supply here. I'm going to plug this in, and so it doesn't come unsnapped. This is what I like to do. Cats get up here and like to play with the stuff. So this way we don't have to worry about it getting unplugged. That one's probably enough, but I know when the power goes out here, I'm really messing around a lot back here, so. Okay, and then make sure it's off, and then I'll plug this in back here. This is our main output. It goes to this TV. There's only one HDMI output on here, so I'm going to pull this out, and then I'm going to put this one in here, and then this goes to the input. Got one input on here. And then put this TV back on here. We'll put it on number 1. Okay. And then the second TV will plug into number 2. Man, that's a really thick cord. Then you just plug this one into your other television. Okay, see ya. Bye.